Now let's expand this. Okay, so we are given 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5, okay, times 4x minus 3. Solution. Now this one is not difficult. So to expand this, first of all, we use 4x to multiply everything. So that will be 4x, taking 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5. Okay. And the next thing is to use minus 3 to take the same thing, 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5. Okay, so from here, now 4x times 3x cubed. So this one will multiply this, that will be 12. And we perform indices, x to the power 1 times x to the power 3. That will be x to the power 4. Okay, again, 4x times 2x. So 4 times 2 is 8. And we have this one to the power 1, to the power 1, that will be x to the power 2. Then we go again, 4x times minus 5. So this one will affect only the 4. So minus 4, 5, 20, x. Okay. So let's go to the second bracket. So minus 3 times 3x cubed, which will affect this one. That will be minus 9x cubed. So minus 3 times 2x, that will be minus 6x. Minus plus 3, 5, 15. Okay, so let's see if we can group like terms. So let's start with the highest power, 12x to the power 4. We have x squared and x cubed, so minus 9x cubed, and only one x squared, 8. And the one with x, so minus 6x minus 20x minus 26x. And well, this one and that, this one, that, plus 15. So the final answer is 12x to the power 4 minus 9x cubed plus 8x squared minus 26x plus 15. All right. Thanks for watching.